Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna start off with melting chocolate and coconut oil over a bain-marie, which is basically just a pot of boiling water with a heat-safe bowl. Mine is glass, or you could use metal, and you're gonna just let that melt. I'm just gonna say that this was a freaking fail video because these are supposed to be cookies and not brownies. I just messed up. Later in the recipe, you guys are going to see that it's all melted and beautiful. Okay guys, this is the part where I fail. I'm putting in 3/4 cup of liquid coffee in here. It's okay to use liquid coffee. It's just I should only use about a tablespoon. Coffee is just to enhance the flavor. It really called for espresso powder, but I wasn't gonna buy espresso powder if, I had coffee. But you're gonna whisk that together. In a separate bowl, you're gonna cream together your butter and your sugar. Then you're gonna add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, you can use regular vanilla. I just have clear on hand. You're gonna add in an egg, and again, you're gonna whisk that together. Hey guys, there are 2 eggs in this recipe. I just found that out. Even though I did the one who filmed the video, I kind of forgot because this was like 2 weeks ago. But I just mixed that together. And then I'm switching to a different bowl, which is filled with dry ingredients, which is all the measurements will be down below in the description. But yeah, that's flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. And I'm just whisking those ingredients together. And right now, as you can see, I am making a well in the center. You don't really have to make a well. It's just like I did it just to be a little extra. But I poured in my wet ingredients to my dry, and then I mixed that together. And then now I'm going to add in some of my chocolate coffee mixture. I should have just went with that much because that's where I messed up by putting in all of it. At first, I really thought when I messed up, it was going to be a cake mix. But then when it came out the oven, it looked like brownies. So I'm going to just call these brownies, even though they were supposed to start off as cookies. But hey, everyone makes mistakes, right? Okay, y'all, this is what your mixture should look like. I added mine to a greased and parchment line 8-inch springform pan. And here I put it in a 6-inch pan because I had some left over. Hey guys, so it's Monday, and I made these brownies on Saturday. I didn't know that they were gonna be brownies because I really wanted a good chocolate cookie recipe. But the recipes that I looked up called for espresso powder. But if I got coffee, I'm not gonna go out of my way and go buy espresso powder. And I should have known in my mind liquid to powder ratio shit and not have put the full 3/4 cup of liquid coffee in there. I should have done about a 1/4 cup or I just realized I really did completely wrong measurements. But yeah, everybody has been like trying these and they've been saying that they're good. They're more of a cake. There are some parts where they're fudgy and some parts where they're cakey, so it's a little weird. But they're really amazing. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye guys.